Hey guys, so day two in Boca Chica, Dominican Republic. We're here in Boca Chica, staying at Hotel Rolling Stone. It's a really nice hotel. And today, activity-wise, we're going to be doing paddle boarding. Now, typically here at this particular hotel, they offer it for $15 an hour. But if you are a customer, it's a free service. So we're really excited about doing that today. And as you can see right now, it's like right now approximately it's about 8:30, really early, hot already. It's like 79 degrees right now. So again, we're really excited about doing that. So what I'm gonna do is upload some pictures of that, videos of us doing the paddleboarding, and let you guys know what it's all about. So again, Boca Chica has a lot to do, and we're on our vacation here. Just wanted to do something different. You know, you guys, if you're watching my channel, you know that I like to do reviews on different products and services, but just wanted to switch it up a little bit to give you guys a little bit of our sales and, you know, to show you some enjoyment behind the scenes. So anyway, put Boca Chica on your list if you're thinking about coming to the Dominican Republic. Ciao.